Today I want to speak to you like a close friend. I am not here to teach you anything. I just want to share simple and honest thoughts with you, because many people carry feelings inside that they never talk about. Every day, many people wake up with a heavy heart. They get dressed, go outside, and talk to others, but inside their mind, they feel tired, sad, or confused. They try to act normal because they think they have no other choice. Maybe you sometimes feel the same way. Maybe you say, "I'm fine," even when your heart feels full of stress or worries. You hide your feelings because you do not want people to ask too many questions. You hide your sadness because you want to look strong. But you do not have to pretend all the time. It is normal to feel lost. It is normal to feel down. It is normal to have days when nothing feels right. Everyone goes through difficult moments, even if their face looks calm from the outside. Sometimes you look in the mirror and feel like something has changed inside you. You wonder, why do I feel like this? When did I stop being happy? These questions do not mean you are weak. They show that you are human and that you are trying to understand your own heart. Life can change you slowly without you noticing. Problems, stress, responsibilities, and painful memories can all make you feel different inside. Many people act strong because they think showing emotions is wrong. They worry that others will judge them or laugh at them. So they smile even when their heart is hurting. They keep everything inside because they think nobody will understand. Maybe you do this too. But remember, you are not alone. Many people around you feel the same way. They just do not talk about it. You do not have to carry everything by yourself. Even if you are usually the responsible one, even if you always help others, your heart also needs support and kindness. It is okay to slow down when life feels too heavy. It is okay to sit for a moment and breathe. You do not have to fix everything in one day. Sometimes your mind becomes full of too many thoughts, and it becomes difficult to think clearly. You may feel stressed and unsure about what to do next. This happens to many people, and it does not mean that something is wrong with you. Being strong does not mean hiding your emotions. True strength means being honest with yourself. It means saying, "I am not okay today, but I am trying." When you accept your feelings, you give your heart a chance to heal. Your sadness will not stay forever. Hard days always pass. Just like the weather changes, your emotions also change. There were days in your life when you laughed, felt strong, and enjoyed simple moments. Those days will come again, even if you cannot see them right now. You are growing every day. Even on days when you feel weak, you are learning about yourself. You are becoming stronger and more patient, even when you do not notice it. You don't have to face everything alone. Talking to someone you trust can make your heart feel lighter. Sometimes just explaining your feelings helps you understand yourself better. Sharing your emotions does not make you weak. It shows that you care about your own well-being. Sometimes one simple conversation, one warm hug, or one kind message can change your whole day. You are not a machine. You cannot always be strong, calm, or perfect. You are a person with real emotions, real fears, and real hopes. And this is what makes you human. One day you will look back and realize that you survived many difficult moments. You will see how strong you were, even when you felt weak. You will understand that every challenge you faced helped you grow into a wiser and kinder person. So today, give yourself permission to feel your emotions. If you feel sad, let yourself feel it. If you feel tired, allow yourself to rest. If you need support, do not be afraid to ask for help. You deserve kindness. You deserve love. You deserve peace. And you deserve a life that feels real, not a life where you have to pretend. You are not alone on this journey, even if it sometimes feels that way. Many people understand your feelings, even if they never say it. Take a slow breath and gently relax your shoulders. Tell yourself, it is okay to feel this way. I'm doing my best. Better days will come. Your heart will feel lighter. You will find your energy again, step by step. And one day, you will feel truly okay, not because you pretended, but because you healed. So do not give up on yourself. You are stronger than you think, and your story is not over. Brighter days are waiting for you, and you will reach them with time.